Hey guys, this is the R3 from Canon. It is a sports photography and videography camera. I absolutely love this camera. First of all, the battery size, a lot bigger than your typical Canon like your R5, R6, and R mirrorlesses. The R3 is a bigger battery and it lasts normally about 2, even 3 of the small batteries. Length and time. So I have 2 of those. Beautiful flip out screen as to expect with all Canons. You have video mode and photo mode. I went ahead and threw the 24 to 70 2.8 zoom RF lens on here. Just wanted to show you guys the speed of this camera, so I'm going to just focus here and listen to this. Now I want to show you guys some of the movie specs. Click over to video mode and I'll show you guys in here. We are set right now on 4K all-I 120. So I'm going to go here. When I'm going to go to high frame rate. I'm going to go to high frame rate. I'm going to disable it. And then this is going to show you now all my different frame rates, not in slow motion for video. This camera is absolutely amazing for sports photography. It is so fast. The shutter, it captures so many beautiful photos, and I shoot for the NFL, and this camera has changed my game with my photography. If you guys are wanting to upgrade your Canon to a more higher level professional sports quality tier, then I highly suggest the Canon R3.